The Congress party supports the agitation for an act for giving grants to the English medium schools, and we would like to bring to the notice of the Chief Minister that we don't approve of his statement in the Vidhan Sabha yesterday that it is the Congress party and church who are destabilizing his government. He is wrongly blaming the church and the Congress party. It is a commitment which the government had made earlier, and the demand is quite justified to have an act to give grant and aid to all schools, whether they are English medium, Konkani medium or Marathi medium. The Louis Berger case is concerned, we would like an independent inquiry, preferably by the CBI, and that has been our consistent demand. The Congress party has never hesitated to take action, even if there was a prima facie case against Congress chief ministers and ministers and members of parliament.